This video is on service orders. I have a service order here that happily has two sections. There's two specific products out on the job site, and so we're treating it as two separate sections on the same invoice. So what we're going to do now is we're going to convert, but we're going to only partial convert because we still have some additional work to do on this second unit. So my service order is number 521. So I'm going to say partial convert into an actual invoice. And I'm going to convert this first group. The second one I'm going to leave off because I still have some additional work to do. So I'm going to say OK. And it's created an invoice for half of my service order. And that's the first steam convection steamer. So I am going to tender, and they're going to give me a check. I'll say OK, and my check number. I can preview this. This is my little 40 column guy. So let's look at the full size invoice. So we see that we are billing only for that portion. And everything is good on that. Now, this here is the balance that's left, and it's working perfectly. We see we have a balance still yet to convert to invoice, and that particular form is showing that we have two items that with sales tax that equal this dollar amount. So that's how we partially bill out a service order. Thank you.